Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to find the blocked contacts on WhatsApp. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my phone. Now I'll tap on this WhatsApp and over here you'll find this interface. Now to find the blocked contacts, tap on these three dots on the top right and over here go to settings. Now over here you'll find this multiple options over here. Now tap on this privacy and now scroll down and over here you'll find this blocked contacts. Tap on this. Now over here you'll find all the blocked contacts over here. So in this way we can find blocked contacts on WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.